This is the Logitech MX Master 3 by Logitech company. This is probably by far the best mouse out right now in late 2020. This is the mouse that I was using before, something I got off Amazon. Looks like the Tesla symbol. About 25 bucks, not bad, but nowhere near this right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and unbox it, take a look at it. I'm not gonna go over the specs. Because to be quite frank, I don't know everything about the specs. I just know that this thing does everything that you could wish for. So let's go ahead and unbox that slower. Logitech MX. And this, guys, is a $105 mouse. Beautiful. As you can see, it's basically made to fit the palm of your hand. So if we were to palm this, it literally covers our palm perfectly. Here's this USB chip, which you basically connect to your computer so that you could connect the Bluetooth and be able to use your mouse. Now, there's a lot of things you can do with this mouse. I can leave videos, links to videos where people go in depth on it, but I just wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys. One reason I got this was, one of the main reasons was the scroll option. I mean, see if you can see close. When you scroll, I believe you can scroll 1,000 page a scroll. So for every scroll that you see right here, it'll scroll about 1,000 pages. And the difference compared to this is just huge difference. You know, like this doesn't stand. What's also cool about this is if you're on your screen and you're trying to scroll but sideways, you have a scroll button for that as well. So that's super cool. Again, there's so much configuration that you can do with this. I'm not going to go over that here, but just wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys what it looks like. And unlike the Mac charger, unlike the Mac mouse where you have to charge it on the bottom, this one you don't. You charge it straight from here, which I think is a huge plus. And the charger for that is this right here. The only thing I did not like is that it does not come with the wall mount, but I guess that's not a big issue. You can charge it on your computer, but this would be the charger. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the unboxing of the Logitech MX Master 3. Thank you for watching.